friends, today we're gonna make these turkey boxes.
Yeah, they're really cool, and you can use these for dinner time.
Yeah.
So they're like nameplates. They got little names on them,
Yeah.
and they got their little turkey feathers back here, and also feet down at the bottom.
So cute.
Let's put the ones that we've made off to the side. For this lesson, you first need the printable. So parents, you can click the link below this video and it will take you over to our website where you can download this free printable, print it out, and then come back to this video and follow along with us. Now also for this lesson, you need scissors. We're gonna use this to cut out our printables once we're done coloring. And we need, what's this?
Tape.
Yeah, we need the tape to stick our turkey together. Now we're using markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have. Crayons work great, or even colored pencils. All right, Livia, what are we gonna do first?
Color.
Yeah, we're gonna color the entire thing, and it's okay if we go outside of the lines because we're gonna cut it out. This part we're gonna fast forward, and a lot of the steps we're gonna fast forward, but we'll take time to tell you what we're gonna do next. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, we finished coloring our turkeys and we also added our name inside of the tag. Now, if you're making this for everyone for Thanksgiving dinner, you could make a bunch of these and then write everybody's name right here so that they know where to sit when it's dinner time. Okay, now we're ready to cut out our little turkeys. This part we'll fast forward again. We're gonna cut out on the solid line. We'll go all the way around the outside and also around the outside of this shape too. So we should have 2 pieces when we're all done. You ready to speed things up again?
Yeah.
All right. Now we got our 2 pieces cut out, we're ready to fold. And the folding we're gonna do on the dash line. So we can turn it over, flip it over this way, and then line it up and fold it down. And this part we'll fast forward too, because we're just gonna repeat that same step for all of the folds. These 3, and then over here, we could also fold this little tab here as well. All right, let's speed things up again. Next, we're gonna tape our little front part, or the head, and we're gonna flip over the body, and we're gonna tape it to this square that has the feet. So we're gonna flip it over like this. We're gonna line it up so that this edge is on the dashed line. So we wanna cover it all the way up. Now we're gonna get a piece of tape, and there we go. Line it up and tape it down. Now we could also tape it this way if we want, but I think that one piece should be good enough. Let's tape yours next. Yeah, let's flip it over and we'll tape the other side too, just so that it doesn't fall apart. We can always add more tape if we need it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then one piece for yours. Oh, love how well you colored yours. It looks so cool. Next, we're gonna flip it this way, and we're gonna take this long side, we're gonna line it up with the short like this, and then we'll tape down this corner right here.
Oh.
I think it's easy to line it up like this. You could take the flaps and then line them up here, and then tape down the one side, and then fold over the tape, and then crease it down, and then it should stay up like that. Okay, now we're gonna fold this back side up and line it up with the edge. I'm gonna just put a piece of tape there. We'll line it up and then crease it down, or stick it down, and then we can do the same thing. Now if you want, if your tape isn't as clear, ours is kind of not clear, it's white. And so you could put the tape on the inside if you want to hide it, but I think it looks fine with it on the outside. And then while you're taping the back, I'm gonna finish taping the front. We'll do the same thing. You can put the tape down first, makes it a little easier, and then you can fold the front up and tape it down. You could have smaller pieces of tape. I use big giant pieces. You could try to hide the tape a little bit more, But I think it looks awesome. You got just the front. Oh, you're gonna add another piece down
Yeah,
there.
a little
That's a good
bit.
idea.
It was trying to fly away from me.
Yeah. We did it. We finished our little turkeys. Oh, I got one more little thing we could do. Use some scratch paper right here. And then see on the tail, we've got the lines on this side. But if we wanted to, we can use our Sharpie or any black marker, and we could trace the little tail lines through to the other side. I'm even going to trace around the whole thing
Wow.
because you can kind of see the tail feathers from this side. So that makes it so that this detail is on the other side too. Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Now we're completely finished with our little turkeys, and they turned out awesome. Especially love yours. Now our friends, you guys can color yours differently. You could also design different things on there. You could add pink cheeks, or maybe your turkey has a little pumpkin under its wing over here. So you could add things by drawing them. You could, this is my favorite, the little feet down
they're
at the
so
bottom.
cute.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun making turkeys with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. My turkey's gonna eat your turkey. Arr.
And my turkey's gonna bake your turkey.
No.
Turkey.